Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be using some of these shades from the Madam Glam Jackpot collection. Now, this collection is a all hollow collection of gel polishes. They are Vegas inspired. The first shade I'm swatching is the shade Lovesick. Now, this color is so gorgeous. This is like a really soft, pretty purple. What I love about this collection is that they are pretty much all pastels and very much like spring shades. I know in the nail community it seems like Valentine's Day lasted forever, so it's refreshing to see some really pretty pastels perfect for spring. The next shade is called The Wish. Now, I am obsessed with this color. This color is so unique. It is a green that kind of leans more towards like the mint side, but it's very cool toned, but very just neutral. This color was definitely one of my favorite, and as soon as I saw the kind of swatch for it, I knew I had to have it. And it's hard to pick up on camera, but all of these colors have a very pretty subtle hollow kind of shift to them. They are so gorgeous without being over the top. The next shade we're swatching is Hollow Lover, and this is kind of like a pinkish nude shade, maybe even like a peachish nude shade. This color is very pretty. It has like that nice nude base, but then it does have that subtle holographic shimmer to it. And last but not least, my favorite color in this collection is the shade Not Your Boo. Love that for more reasons than one. This color is gorgeous. I actually had this on my nails probably about like 2 weeks ago. And I got lots of compliments when I wore this color. This is definitely a very beautiful color to get you into like the spring summer vibe. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous, and in my opinion, this darker shade did show more of the hollow than the lighter shades, but this color is just, it's a beauty. It's so pretty, and if you get any color out this collection, definitely make sure it's this one because this color is fire. I'm gonna have my coupon code linked down below, as well as links to all these polishes. So this is the Jackpot collection. These colors are absolutely stunning. There are also more colors that come in this collection, so definitely check out Madam Glam's website to see the whole collection. So I applied some full cover nail tips, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep those. And once they're nice and prepped, I'm taking my Madam Glam base coat, and I'm applying just a thin layer. And you're going to want to do this for any gel application, whether it is gel polish, builder gel, poly gel. It's always good to have a base on your nails. And after we apply our base, we are going to cure our nails in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. So once our nails are cured, I am taking that shade The Wish. This color is so pretty, oh my god. And I am just going to go ahead and start my gel polish application. Now, I don't have a perfect way of polishing my nails. I feel like it's just good to kind of apply some pressure, make sure your hand is firmly on the table, and then kind of just apply thin coats. So that's one coat, and now I'm just gonna do 2 coats of this color. This color is definitely very buildable, so I would recommend doing 2 or 3 coats. I also think that this color would look really good if you layered it on top of a darker polish. And for each coat, I did cure it for 60 seconds at a time. So once we have our nail coated, I am just gonna go ahead and do this color on most of my nails. And one key to gel polish is definitely kind of just angling your finger with the brush. That way you can cover the whole nail bed and you're not constantly having to dip into the container. So once I have all the green nails done, well, pretty much, I'm gonna take that shade Hollow Lover, and I'm making my middle finger the accent finger. And honestly, these colors looked so good together. It was hard choosing a couple shades to use together because they went so well. So of course I am doing 2 layers on this nail as well. And once that's done, I'm applying a rhinestone glue to my nails because we are adding these really cute butterflies. Now these butterflies were really pretty because they matched this Hollow Lover shade perfectly, but then they also had the hollow kind of undertone, holographic sheen to it, and it matched the green perfectly. I love these butterflies, and I think this is the perfect easiest little gel polish design for spring that anybody could do. So now I'm taking these green opal stones. I got these from Amazon like 2 years ago, probably at this point. And what I'm gonna do is just make little like trails after the butterflies. This could also kind of look like dragonflies, yeah. Like dragonflies. It's completely up to you. I just thought these crystals were a good touch and kind of brought both sides together. So now I'm just taking an AB crystal and I'm putting that at the very end of these butterflies just because they have that same holographic kind of feel. And I cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm just going in and adding 2 stones per nail, and this honestly brought everything together. I know a lot of times watching nail videos, you have that pressure to do designs, foils, crystals, all of that, and sometimes you just want like a simple nail design, something you can do quick and easy, and this is 100% that. This was one of those nail tutorials that I knew I wanted my nails done, but I didn't want to stress about it and I didn't want to take forever, and this was perfect. And after all of our crystals are on, we're gonna cure our whole hand in the lamp for about 60 seconds. So once our nails are cured, we are gonna take our Madam Glam top coat. And when top coating the nails, we're just gonna work around the crystals. You can definitely go in with a smaller detailed liner brush. That way you can get around the crystals very easily. But with the way that I placed them, I made it so that I was really able to just use the regular brush and get around them. And I'm gonna top coat all of my nails and cure them in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. So once the nails are all cured, I'm taking my Madam Glam Elixir Cuticle Oil. I love this stuff. I feel like it's one of those cuticle oils that actually absorbs into your skin. It's not just a greasy layer on your fingers. And y'all, this is what the final nails look like. So simple, but also so pretty. I've already gotten so many compliments on these nails already, and I've only had them for a few days, and I'm absolutely obsessed. And here is the nails up close. Stay tuned because I do have them with some flash. You guys can see the hollow. Thank you so much for watching my video today, you guys. I really love you. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.